and welcome to our next video tutorial. Today I will show you how you can set up and end a conference with your telephone. In order to set up a conference, you will need 2 established calls, one active call and one call on hold. Have a look at our last video tutorial if you're not sure how to establish 2 calls. You can start the 3-party conference by clicking onto the conference symbol of the call that is on hold. If you would like to have a conference with more than 3 parties, this will only be possible if one of the other 2 participants adds another person. In order to end a conference, you have following options. You can either hold or end one of the 2 calls. If you put one of the 2 participants on hold, the conference will be ended. One party is on hold while you can continue talking to the other party. Further, you can also end a conference by clicking onto the red handset symbol. After you've clicked the red handset symbol, this call will be terminated, but the other connection will remain available. Please note, if you terminate the connection by putting down the handset of your telephone, you will connect both participants with each other. We would be happy to receive your feedback on topics we could discuss in our next video tutorials. Simply suggest your ideas and we will create the tutorials accordingly. If you like our series, we would be delighted if you give us a thumbs up. Also, and don't forget to activate the alarm to have the latest videos displayed. Thanks for watching, and until next time.